Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a presentation by using the magic design in Canva mobile. So here what you need to do is open your Canva on your phone and then just click on the magic studio here at the bottom right corner and just scroll down and swipe and you'll see magic design for presentation. So just click on that, and here by using the magic design for a presentation you can generate a custom presentation instantly. You can start by describing your presentation in a few words and just write to Canva do its magic. So I'm going to just click on a try magic design and it will be open like this. So here you need to use at least 5 words to describe. So for example, social media, branding, advertisement. Just click on enter now. And here, this is the layout. So let's say I'm going to use this social media branding. Click on that. Now this is the presentation from CapCut. You can see you can easily use this as your presentation, or you can also just make some changes. So I'm going to click on apply all 19 pages, and just like that it is done. So here you can change the name. For example, here you can change it with your name. Okay, now it's done. You can just save it. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.